Why does writing one piece of copy feel like it takes forever? You sit down with a blank page, and before you know it, hours are gone, and you are still not happy with what you wrote. The truth is you are not alone, and this slow, painful process is one of the biggest reasons businesses miss opportunities every single day. Here's the headline nobody talks about. Most small business owners spend more time writing copy than actually selling their products. And the worst part is that slow copy usually leads to weak sales. So why does it take so long? Reason 1 is overthinking. We try to make every word perfect before we even finish a draft. Reason 2 is not having a framework. Without a clear formula, you end up rewriting the same lines over and over again. And reason 3 is decision fatigue. Too many choices about tone, style, and structure can freeze you up for hours. Here is where the shift happens. AI tools are now speeding up what used to take days into just minutes. But here's the catch. If you use the wrong tool, you end up with robotic content that feels fake. That is why tools like AI Creator Max are built differently. Problem: most people waste hours trying to write ads, blogs, or emails from scratch. Agitate. That lost time kills momentum and drains your energy while your competition keeps moving forward. Solution: with AI Creator Max, you just answer a few simple questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready in seconds. It has over 100 templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails, all built on proven psychology like AIDA and PAS. It helps you write 10 times faster and still sound natural. Let's go deeper with 3 tips to cut writing time without losing quality. Tip 1: use proven frameworks. AIDA attention, interest, desire, action works because it follows how people naturally make decisions. Instead of staring at a blank page, start with this structure and fill in each step. Tip 2: write for one person, not everyone. Imagine your best customer is right in front of you and write only for them. It makes your words sharper, faster, and more personal. Tip 3: edit last, not first. Get all your ideas on the page, then polish after. Most people waste hours editing sentences they later delete. Now here is a surprising fact. According to HubSpot, businesses that publish consistent content get 67% more leads than those who do not. That means slow writing is not just wasting time, it is costing you money. Here is your bonus tip. Batch your copywriting. Write multiple ads, emails, or product descriptions in one sitting instead of spreading them across the week. This keeps your brain in focus mode and saves hours. Remember, this video is part of a full mini course playlist, so binge the rest for even more shortcuts that save you time and make you money.